In this video, we are going to be providing you NordVPN to work on Warzone Call of Duty. You can see this is how this looks. So what you need to do is simply search for this keyword, which is going to be NordVPN Warzone, and once you search that onto a browser of your choice, you will be coming across this particular link. Do not click on any of the ads and AdWords that show up or other links. You need to click on this link, and then once you're there, it's going to be providing you the best type of VPN that you need for smoother gaming on NordVPN. And this is how it looks. Click on this Get NordVPN option to install it and download it as well, of course. But before that, I suggest you that you download NordVPN with the link in the description below, as it is going to be providing you simply plain 70% off. So a huge value in my opinion to not be missed out. And you can see it is going to be easily set up. We have Call of Duty support officially, so you know how smooth this is going to be running. So that's how easy it is. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and with that being said, see you around in the next video.